Today I'm showing you how to clean your hairbrush. You wash your hair every day, every other day. When's the last time you actually cleaned your hairbrush? So today I'm going to be showing you how I do that with just Dawn dish soap, baking soda, and really hot water. So what we're going to do here is turn our sink on here and get the water super duper hot. I'm going to close my drain here and let this fill up, and while it's filling, I'm going to take about a cup of baking soda and dump this in, and just a squirt or two of this Dawn dish soap. Just gonna throw our hairbrush in now, hair and all. I didn't take anything off of it. And you guys are gonna see just how nasty and grimy this water is gonna get after just soaking for a little bit in this baking soda and Dawn dish soap mixture. Doing this is gonna keep your brushes from getting really gunky. They're gonna last. This has been soaking for a couple hours, and you can see it literally started to pull the hair up off of the edge of our brush here. So I'm just going to finish pulling this off. This is what the water looks like. You can see it's super grimy and gummy. So you can kind of see down here, all this is dirt and grime and gunk that came out of your brush, which is super gross. There's some stuff up here. So super satisfying to get that all out of the brush, and now it's clean and sanitized, ready to go.